The spectacular Peery Family Center replaces Paly's first gym, which opened in 1929 and was designed by Paly graduate and famous Palo Alto architect Birge Clark. Even though it was named for Paly coach and administrator George Stewart, everyone called it the Big Gym. For 85 years, the large cavernous structure hosted many legendary performances and some memorable and sometimes unusual social events.
The big event of the season is coming, and we, the staff of the combined Sequin Elite, expect to see you at the Palo Alto Sequoia basketball game. We expect to see you there with all the pep and spirit you can muster. You know what this game means to each of the teams, the championship. Will we see you? Sure, but don't forget. Be a good sport. There will be a rivalry that dates back into the years, but keep it friendly. Abide by the referee, don't boo, and may the best team win. Campanile, 1936.
Many great memories were created in the Big Gym, and excellent coaches guided Paly athletes to compete at high levels. Paly versus Sequoia was both the first and last basketball game played in the Big Gym. Paly was victorious both times. Eventually, the aging and outdated Big Gym needed to be replaced to meet the needs of Paly's modern physical education and athletics programs. A farewell gala provided a fitting end to an important chapter in Paly's history. The expansive 91,000 square foot Peery Family Center would not have been possible without the Peery family's incredibly generous donation to the school district. Now, Paly students have more opportunities to engage in wellness and fitness activities. Students can participate in a wider variety of physical education classes. They can relieve stress and become stronger by working out in a well-equipped fitness center. They can even join a new team sport. Completed in 2017, the athletic complex includes 2 gyms, a fitness center, dance and yoga room, wrestling room, training rooms, locker rooms, and classrooms. Both gyms ring the existing pool and provide improved aquatics facilities. The large gym seats 1,640 cheering fans. The display cases in the large gym are worth a long look as they showcase Paly's excellent athletes and athletic programs. Don't miss the compelling artwork created by the Kerr family, commemorating some of Paly's student athletes' finest moments.